students, welcome back to Vidya Miraj. Today I am going to teach you how we are going to add and subtract the fraction. Till now we have done proper, improper and mixed fractions, number line, equivalent and like and unlike fractions. And after this, the last part which will be left with the word problems, which we are going to do in the next video. Let's begin with the addition of the fractions. Now, the rule here is when there is a like fraction, so you should know what are like fractions, where your denominator is same. In that case, I will simply add the numerators taking the common denominator. For example, I have 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. I have to find its sum. Sum means I will add them. So I will just simply see the numerator. Numerator is 3 and another is 5. So I will simply do 3 plus 5 upon 7, which is equal to 8 upon 7. So like fractions, just see the numerators, add it and write the common denominator. But what happens when you have unlike fractions? For unlike fractions, you have to convert it into the like fractions. That means you need to make their denominator same. Now suppose I have the question, find the sum of 3 upon 21 and 5 upon 7. Now what I will do is, I will find its LCM. LCM is 21. So in one case I have 21, in another I have 7. So I will try to make that as 21. How will I do? I need to multiply both the sides, numerator and denominator, by 3 for 5 to 7, and I will get 15 upon 21 as my answer. So now the two fractions are 3 upon 21 and 15 upon 21. Now denominator is same. So I will simply add the numerator 3 plus 15, which is equal to 18 upon 21. Now here 18 and 21 both can be reduced. Think of the table where it will come. Both can be deducted by 3. When you deduct this, you get 6 upon 7. 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21. So what is my fraction after adding? That is 6 upon 7. So wherever possible, children, you have to reduce it to the lowest term. Whatever the fraction is, think if it is, you are able to reduce it, just reduce it. Another question, find the sum of 3 upon 21 and 5 upon 7. You may be thinking it is the same question. So now I will be telling you the different method. Different method is, instead of going like that, you can also do it in another way. You know that LCM is 21. So I will simply, in my mind, I will think that 5 is to be multiplied by 3. I will take the LCM 21 and I will do it in this manner. 3 plus 5 into 3, which is 3 plus 15 upon 21 and 18 upon 21 is my required answer, which can be reduced. So I can write it as 6 upon 7. So any of the method you can use wherever you are finding it easy. Another question, 6 upon 12 and 7 upon 18. Now both the numbers are different. Please take the LCM. So when I take the LCM, it comes to 36. Now nowhere is 36. I need to make my denominator 36, or I will do it with the above method. Above method, so take it 36. 6 will be multiplied by 3 and 7 will be multiplied by 2. So you will get 18 plus 14 upon 36, which is 32 upon 36. So you know that these are again divisible by 4. So my answer comes to 8 upon 9. Another example. Now I have given you 3 fractions. All the 3 you need to add it. So what I do is, first find out their LCM. Okay. LCM comes to 72. So what is it? So that means that is, in order to make 72, 36 needs to be multiplied by 2. So up also multiplied by 2. 24 needs to be multiplied by 3 to make 72. So 5 will be multiplied by 3. 12 is to be multiplied by 6 to make 72. So 8 will be also multiplied by 6. So this part you can even calculate in your mind, or you can write it with your pen or pencil very small over there to make your calculations easier. Now it will become like this. 72 is your denominator, and up it will become 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 3 plus 8 multiplied by 6, which gives you 3 2 is a 6, 5 3 is a 15, 6 8 is a 48 upon 72, and it becomes 69 upon 72. Now we need to check whether this is divisible or not. So if I do it by 3, see, I cannot do it by 2, both are not even numbers, one is 69, one is 72, so I try doing it by 3. So divide 69 by 3 and 72 by 3, I get 23 upon 24. Can I further cut this? No, it cannot be further divisible. So this is my final answer. Next, let's begin with the subtraction of fractions. Like we have done addition, same way we will do subtractions. Now, the rule is same for the difference also. Difference means subtraction. Subtract the numerator and take the common denominator in the case of like fractions. Now suppose I have a question, find the difference of 6 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. I can simply write it as 6 minus 5 upon 7, which is equal to 1 upon 7. Next example, I have 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. That means I will write it as 3 minus 5 upon 7. Now this will be equal to minus 2 upon 7. Now here the rule of integers will play an important role. You should know we are subtracting it, 5 minus 3, but the sign will be of the bigger number. 5 is bigger number. That is why I have put the minus sign here. Next example. Subtract 12 upon 6 from 7 upon 8. When it is from, you will write 7 upon 8 as your first number, put a minus sign, and then write 12 upon 6 as your second number. Now take the LCM of 8 and 6. When I take it, I get 24. So I can simply see that this I have done it in my mind for your easy calculations. So 24 will be your denominator, and in the numerator I can write it as 7 into 3 minus 12 into 4. This comes to 21 minus 48. This will be equal to minus 27 upon 24. So don't forget to put minus sign. Your 48 is a bigger number. You will subtract it, but sign will be of minus. Please children, go through the integers video. You will really have lot of practice over there, and you can do this in a better state. Now divide it, cut it. It will go on 3 table. Your answer comes to minus 9 upon 8. Another example, subtract 2 1 by 4 from 3 3 by 6. Now it's a mixed fraction. First of all, I should know how to write it. Your second number will become first number, put a minus sign, and first number will become the second number. Now next step is you will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it will become 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 3, 21 upon 6, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 1, 9 upon 4. Now you have unlike fraction. Find its LCM of 6 and 4. You get 12. Now in order to make 12, you need to know you will be multiplying the first fraction with 2 and second fraction with the 3. So find it out. It will become 12 as your denominator. In the numerator, 21 into 2 minus 9 into 3, it gives you 42 minus 27, and the ultimate answer is 15 upon 12. And 15 upon 12 is divisible by 3, so I can cut it, and my final answer comes as 5 upon 4. So children, this is how we do the addition and the subtraction of the fractions, which is very simple. Just see whether they are like or unlike. If it is unlike, try to make it like by taking its LCM and simply solve it. At the end, if your fraction can be reduced to its lowest term, please do that. Thank you so much children. for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood the concept, how we are going to add and how we are going to subtract. Please follow the rules thoroughly. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next video, and in the next video I'm going to teach you word problems. Please be there with me.